Hi there, my name is Ewan. As the first part of our COVID-19 Risk and Recovery Index application, we have performed the analysis with the purpose to calculate a custom-defined risk index and serve that as a model prediction for the recovery phase. This is available in the GitHub repository as an IPython notebook called COVID Analysis. In the analysis, we have made use of two main data sources. One is the Our World in Data COVID-19 testing dataset. The other is Google COVID Mobility report. We joined the two datasets on country code and date and calculated the daily risk index on a scale of 1 to 5 by looking at the rate of infection and total number of infections. Later on, the mobility movement and risk indexes are fed into a classification model to help the government plan and control recovery phase policies. The risk index forms into a wider web service in an air travel scenario, which contains the other component, and it will be covered next.
Hello, thanks Ivan. I'm Minu and we'll be reusing the risk index model along with the current travel information for this analysis. Say, a user is looking for information for his upcoming travel from India to Australia. Databricks is used for this analysis. The outcome of this analysis includes which airlines are currently operating from India, what are the current restrictions or travel information available for both these countries, how risky is to travel by looking at the risk index model, how is the current situation in India going to affect when they reach Australia? Two datasets are used. We did some pre-processing and data extraction. The final information was a text input, which was passed through the NLP technical summarization and extracted relevant information and provided it to end users. Now, look at a QA application we have developed. Question answering on COVID-19 information. Here, user can ask queries regarding COVID information and will be providing with answers. The information is collected from WHO website. In here, we have used another NLP technique called question answering from Transformers library. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Shreyans. I've developed a web API to serve the predictions made by Yuan and Minu for the risk index and travel info respectively. To demonstrate the access to the web API, I have created a demo application. For example, if you want to get information about travel info, you can enter the source and destination country. And when the call is made, this API can be accessed directly as well. The response comes back in a JSON format in terms of the airlines that operate on that route and any restrictions from the countries itself. Similarly, for the risk index, one can specify a date for what the risk index was for a specific country at the time, and the name of the country, and it will similarly make a call to the same API to the risk index interface with those parameters and demonstrate that.
Hi everyone, my name is Mukesh and I have been looking at COVID-19 stats ever since we embarked on this hackathon. The gist of my analysis is that COVID-19 follows a trend, and for most countries it gets to a manageable level within 100 days. For a starting point, we used the date when total cases per 1,000 population was greater than 1, and we see that the graph converges to 0 for per 1,000 population around the 100th day. The charts below show how new cases, just the new cases, differ from new cases per 1,000 population, and also how countries that did well compared to countries that have not been following a trend. For more information, you can refer to our Git repository. Thank you.